Let us start with our new topic, that is be my multiple, I will be your factor. So first we will start with multiples. So let us see the following multiplication tables. So this is a multiplication table of 2, this is a multiplication table of 3, and this is the multiplication table of 4. So the product we are getting here, 2 ones are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All these are the multiples of 2. Very simple. Multiples multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So simply we have to remember the table of 2 to find out the multiples of 2. In the same manner, to find out the multiples of 3, we have to tell the table of 3, like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. In the same manner, if you find out the multiple of 4, you have to simply tell the table of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. 40, above that 44, 48, it will go on. So these are the multiples of 2, multiples of 3, and multiples of 4. So children, what we learned, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Multiples of 5, 4, 8, 12, 36, 40, and so on. So these are the multiples of 2, 3, 4, and like that we can find out the multiples of 5, 6, 10, and any numbers by just finding out the multiplication table of that certain number. Okay, this is very simple to find out the multiples. So multiples are a number, multiples are a number that is completely divided by a certain number without leaving a remainder. So the multiple, these multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12. So these are the multiples, and these multiples are the numbers that is completely divided by 4. See, 40 is completely divided by 4, no remainder. 36 is divided by 4, 32 is divided by 4, 28 is completely divided by 4 without leaving a remainder. So these are the characteristics of multiples. Now let us move to our next topic, that is least common multiples, that is LCM. So we have to find out the LCM, means least common multiples. Among the multiples we have to find out the common multiples, and then we have to find out the least common multiple. So let us go step by step. So multiples of 2 we have already find out that 2, 4, 6, 10, 8, 12 up to 20, and it will move on. In the same manner, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on. So among these we have to find out the common multiples of 2 and 3. So we have to find out the common multiples of 2 and 3. Which are the common multiples? See, I made it with yellow color. 6, here also 6, here also 6. Next is 12. Here also 12, here also 12. You will not find 8 here. Okay. In the same manner, you will not find 9 here. So these are not the common multiples. 8, 9, these are not the common multiples. Common multiples are 6, 12, here also 12, here also 12, 18, here also we will find 18, here also 18. So these are the common multiples of 2 and 3. Common means you will find this in the table of 2, and you will also find in the table of 3. So these are common. Okay, so common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12, and 18. So these are the common multiples. So what we have found, common multiples. We earlier we found multiples of 2, then we found multiples of 3, then we find out common multiples of 2 and 3, and afterwards we will find out the least common multiple of 2 and 3. Means among these three common multiples we have to find out the least. Least means smallest. So 18 is the biggest, 12 is bigger than 6, so 6 is the smallest. So least means the smallest one. So the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So in this way we find out the least common multiple of 2 and 3. First we find out multiples of 2, then we find out multiples of 3, then we find out common multiples of 2 and 3, and afterward we find out the least one. So the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So let us find out the least common multiple of 2, 3 and 4. So again we will go stepwise. We will find out the multiples of 2. We have written here multiples of 2. Then we will find out the multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. Then we will find out the multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. Now we will find out the common multiples of 2, 3 and 4. So let us find out the common multiples. Here 12 is here also, here also, here also. So the common multiple is 12. Again 24 is here, here also 24, here also 24. So the common multiples of 2, 3 and 4 are 12 and 24. Okay. So the least common multiple of 2, 3 and 4. So among the 12 and 24, which is the least one? That is 12. So the least common multiple of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. Now, so this is a homework for you. You have to find the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. Next one is 3, 4 and 5. Number C is 4, 5 and 6. And so number D 5, 6 and 7. And number E is 3, 5 and 7. You have to find out the LCM of these numbers. So we will meet in our next class. Till then, goodbye and thank you.